Are you looking for the best drones under $200? In this video we will look at some of the best drones under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Holystone HS710 Drone. The Holystone HS710 stands out as a top-ranking camera drone designed with adults in mind, yet it's also accessible enough for the whole family to enjoy. Its key feature, a UHD 4K camera, offers users the ability to capture moments with incredible clarity and detail. Coupled with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens and a 90 degrees remotely adjustable structure, this drone broadens your horizons quite literally, making it ideal for expansive outdoor landscapes or detailed close-ups. The drone's 5 GHz FPV technology enhances image transmission, ensuring smooth and long-range capture of real-time video feeds. Intelligent flight features such as GPS tracking, follow me, waypoint flight, tap fly, and point of interest add a significant layer of automation to the HS710. These features allow the drone to fly autonomously, freeing your hands for other tasks and making it a great choice for creative filmmaking or leisurely aerial photography. Ease of use is a critical component of the HS710, making it a standout choice for beginners. Functions like altitude hold, smart return to home, emergency stop, and one-key takeoff/landing make flying straightforward and worry-free, particularly for those new to drone piloting. The HS710 doesn't just fly well, it's built to maintain stability in a variety of conditions. The combination of GPS and GLONASS for positioning, along with optical flow positioning, allows the drone to hover with exceptional stability both indoors and outdoors. This triple stability guarantee is bolstered by powerful brushless motors which perform remarkably well even when faced with windy conditions. Durability and flight time are also commendable features. The drone's modular batteries are not only safe but also convenient, extending flight times up to 25 minutes, which is quite competitive in its class. Its portable and foldable design makes the HS710 incredibly travel-friendly, further enhanced by its lightweight build that exempts it from FAA registration, reducing travel burdens. Number 2. SYMA X500 Drone. One of the most significant advantages of the SYMA X500 is its extended flight time. Equipped with 2 batteries, the drone offers up to 56 minutes of flying time, which is substantially higher compared to many other drones in its class. This extended time allows users to fully immerse themselves in flying and capturing footage without the frequent interruptions for recharging. The drone features a 4K UHD camera with a 120 degrees field of view and a 90 degrees adjustable vertical gimbal, enhancing your ability to capture wide landscapes and detailed shots from various angles. This setup is ideal for enthusiasts looking to explore aerial photography or videography with dynamic range and high-resolution output. The X500 is equipped with multiple GPS-based features such as auto-return, follow me, object trace, and custom path settings. These features make the drone incredibly reliable for adventurous shots and practical for beginners. It can trace and automatically follow the user, making it easier to take stable selfies and videos without manually controlling the drone every second. Enhancing its ease of use, the X500 can be controlled via hand gestures to take photos or record videos, perfect for solo adventurers or those looking to streamline their controls. The drone's optical flow positioning system offers real-time ground situation awareness, which helps in maintaining stability and avoiding obstacles during flight. The remote control for the X500 does not require AA batteries, reflecting SYMA's commitment to environmental sustainability. This not only reduces ongoing costs and hassle for users but also lessens environmental impact. The control's reach is impressive, extending up to 10,000 feet, providing ample range for expansive aerial explorations. Number 3. Potensic Atom SE Drone. The Potensic Atom SE is an innovative and lightweight drone that caters to both beginner and advanced pilots with its user-friendly features and robust performance. Weighing less than 249 grams, fold-up design allows it to fit comfortably in a jacket pocket, making it perfect for travel and quick aerial shoots. Equipped with a 4K EIS, electronic image stabilization, camera featuring a Sony sensor, the Atom SE captures sharp 12MP photos and smooth 4K videos at 30 frames per second. Its exclusive shake vanish technology helps to stabilize images effectively, while the camera's wide 118 degrees FOV and adjustable angle, plus 20 degrees to minus 90 degrees, allow for versatile shooting angles and breathtaking aerial shots. The Atom SE features the Surgefly flight control system, which includes beginner mode and 3 other flight modes: video, normal, and sport. These options provide a flexible flying experience that can grow with the pilot's skills. Additionally, its PixSync 2.0 technology supports up to 4 kilometers of stable HD video transmission, ensuring you remain connected and in control even at long distances. The drone's precise GPS functionality enhances its safety with an auto-return feature that activates when the drone loses signal or runs low on power. Additional flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Fly introduce creative ways to capture videos and photos, providing users with dynamic flying and filming options. Number 4. Loolinn Z6 Pro Drone. The Loolinn Z6 Pro drone emerges as a lightweight and feature-rich option for both beginners and hobbyists looking for a reliable and easy-to-use aerial camera platform. Weighing just under 0.55 pounds, 250 grams, the Loolinn Z6 Pro is exceptionally lightweight, akin to the heft of a smartphone. This not only makes it highly portable but also exempts it from the need for a flyer's license, offering hassle-free enjoyment right out of the box. One of the most appealing features of the Z6 Pro is its extended flying time. With 2 batteries included, each offering approximately 25 minutes of flight time, users can enjoy up to 50 minutes of aerial exploration. This is significantly higher than many drones in its category, allowing more time for capturing footage without the constant need to land for battery swaps. The drone is equipped with an HD camera that supports 4K resolution photos and 2K videos when saving to an SD card. The adjustable camera angle enhances its versatility in shooting from various perspectives, making it ideal for capturing high-quality visuals for everything from everyday adventures to more professional uses like real estate photography or nature shots. Enhanced safety features set the Z6 Pro apart. Its advanced GPS functionality enables a reliable auto-return feature that activates when the drone's battery is low or if it loses signal. This drastically reduces the risk of losing the drone, ensuring it can return safely to its launch point without manual intervention. Number 5. Holystone HS-175D Drone. The Holystone HS-175D is a compact and feature-packed drone that caters to both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. The HS-175D is equipped with a 4K ultra-clear camera that boasts a 110 degrees wide angle and a 90 degrees adjustable view, providing flexibility in capturing diverse high-resolution images and videos. Coupled with 5 GHz FPV transmission, it ensures smooth and stable video quality, even in conditions of high speed or strong winds, making it ideal for capturing dynamic outdoor activities. One of the standout features of the HS-175D is its GPS auto-return capability. This function allows the drone to automatically return home when it loses signal, goes out of range, or runs low on power. This safety feature significantly reduces the risk of losing the drone, giving pilots peace of mind, especially in expansive or unfamiliar environments. The drone comes with 2 batteries, providing up to 46 minutes of total flight time, which is quite generous for drones in this category. It also boasts beginner-friendly functions such as altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, and adjustable speed settings, making it accessible for new pilots and enjoyable for those with more experience. This drone is designed to enhance the user's experience with several intelligent functions. It can automatically trace and follow you, fly along a predefined path, or orbit around a point, all of which are fantastic for creating dynamic and cinematic footage. Additionally, it has a gesture recognition feature that allows it to take photos or videos when you pose, adding fun and interaction to the flying experience.